Have you ever found yourself wondering, what's the minimum deposit I need to open an account at TD Bank? It's a common question, and one that can sometimes feel a bit murky in the world of banking. Many people assume you need a hefty sum to get started, but that's not always the case. Understanding minimum deposit requirements is crucial, not just for opening an account, but also for avoiding potential monthly fees and making sure your money works for you. Let's demystify this for TD Bank. The good news is, for many of their personal checking and savings accounts, the minimum opening deposit is actually $0. That's right, you heard that correctly. You can often open a TD Bank account without needing to put any money in initially. This can be a huge relief, especially if you're just starting your banking journey, or if you're looking to open an account quickly without a large upfront commitment. However, there's a crucial distinction to make. While there might be no minimum opening deposit, many TD Bank accounts do have requirements to avoid monthly maintenance fees. These are often tied to maintaining a certain minimum daily balance or meeting other criteria like having direct deposits. So, while you can open an account with zero, you'll want to understand the fee waiver requirements to ensure you're not incurring unnecessary charges down the line. For instance, with the TD Complete Checking account, there's no minimum opening deposit. But to waive the $15 monthly maintenance fee, you'll need to either have $500 or more in direct deposits within a statement cycle, maintain a minimum daily balance of $500, or have a combined daily balance of $5,000 across all your linked personal deposit accounts. Similarly, the TD Beyond checking account also has a $0 minimum opening deposit. However, its monthly fee is $25, which can be waived if you have $5,000 or more in direct deposits, maintain a minimum daily balance of $2,500, or have a combined daily balance of $25,000 across eligible linked accounts. What about savings accounts? For accounts like the TD Simple Savings and TD Signature Savings, the minimum opening deposit is also $0. For the TD Simple Savings, to avoid the $5 monthly fee, you can maintain a $300 minimum daily balance, or complete a monthly recurring transfer of $25 or more from an eligible linked TD Bank checking account for the first year. There are also waivers for those 18 or younger, or 62 and older, or if you link your account to a TD Beyond checking or TD Complete checking account. The TD Signature Savings, with a $15 monthly fee, requires a $10,000 minimum daily balance or linking to an eligible TD checking account to waive the fee. TD Bank also offers specialized accounts like the TD Essential Banking account, which has no minimum opening deposit and a low monthly fee of $4.95, with no minimum balance required to avoid that fee. This is a checklist account designed for simplicity. For those considering certificates of deposit, CDs, or IRAs, the story is a bit different. TD Bank CDs generally start with a $250 minimum initial deposit. IRA options, like the TD Simple Savings IRA, may have a $300 minimum deposit to open, while the TD Signature Savings IRA could require $10,000. While TD Bank is quite flexible with its initial deposit requirements for many checking and savings accounts, the key is to be aware of the ongoing balance or activity requirements needed to avoid monthly maintenance fees. Always check the specific terms and conditions for the account type you're interested in, as these can vary. Understanding these details will help you choose the best account for your financial needs and ensure a smooth banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.